Who is ready to see the Sea League in action? Of course, we have to bring the Sea League back to season 4, and we're here with 13 new teams and 7 old teams coming back. See if they have what it takes to become champions. You see Rose Thorns, Pinkies, Hurricanes, and one of the newcomers, Team Blah. Here, let's see how they're going. What? And Rose Thorns and Team Blah are the first two in front, and they'll be the ones to advance. Hurricanes and Pinkies will not advance. Right on to Rose Thorns and Team Blah. Blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Now, we got Scorchers, Zebras. We have Foresters and Golden Gems. Come on. Scorchers in front, Zebras are second. And whoa, Golden Gems out of nowhere. Golden Gems. See what happens when you're a newcomer? Good things happen. They got Blazers, Black Holes, Carnivals, Pink Patriots. And it's the Blazers in front, Pink Patriots second. And they'll be the ones to move on. Carnivals and Black Holes are out. Not good for those teams. Well, Blazers, good for them. Next up, Waffle Rollers, Heaters, Rosemary's, and another newcomer, Waterfalls, and Waffle Rollers in front, Heaters in second. Rosemary's out of nowhere, no around. Waffle Rollers will be dead last, of course, again. Rosemary's. Now, last heat of the day. No technical issue here with Sandstones, X-Ways, Blue Spirals, and I forgot the name of the second place right here. Sandstones will advance in front. I forgot the team, guys. I'm so sorry. Never happens to me, but I did today. Team Blah, Rosemary's, Carnivals and Zebras. Team Blah in front, Carnivals in second. Team Rosemary's challenge? No! Team Blah, we'll move on. Rosemary's are out, so are the Zebras. Scorchers, Heaters, Rose Thorns, and Golden Gems. And we the 2 heat teams. Moving on. Heaters versus Scorchers, Blazers, X-Ways, Pink Patriots, Sandstone. The 2 newcomers in front, and they will both advance. Wow. Now the top 6 get to have a fight, which means that we're only going to take the top marbles. Top 3. Can't believe they're all newcomers. Who are the top 3 here? Carnivals, Blazers, and Scorchers. X-Rays 4th, Team Blood 6th, Healers 5th. But now, who will get the gold medal in the first event? And what? The Scorchers in front. And they will win the gold. Well done. Carnivals will get second, Blazers third, but the Scorchers will get the first gold. Well done to you. We will see you for the next event, the Steeplechase, and then the new event, the Funnel Rally.